Cravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. It's summertime, and what's better than making your own homemade ice cream? Using my ice cream maker, I've been experimenting with a lot of different recipes. But today we're going to be making one of my favorites. We're going to be making a blackcurrant and pistachio ice cream. This recipe is so delicious. I've made blackcurrant syrup before. You've seen that from my earlier videos, and I'm going to turn that into an ice cream together with pistachios, and it's going to be delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with a simple vanilla based ice cream. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar, and I'm also going to add 1.5 cups of just regular milk. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can also add essence if you don't have paste, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to whisk this together to help the sugar dissolve. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of heavy cream. By the way, this is a double batch of ice cream, and this liquid will just about fit in my ice cream machine, which will make 1.5 quarts of ice cream. After the custard base is made, I'm going to stick it in the fridge so that it can be really cold by the time I'm ready to make the ice cream. This is optional, but I'm going to add some blackcurrants into my ice cream. I'm going to create a sugar syrup by simply mixing together sugar and water, and once this has come to the boil, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of blackcurrants. Adding the blackcurrants in the ice cream are totally optional, but I like having some currants in the ice cream as it tastes really good. I'm just going to boil this for a few minutes. I don't want it to get too mushy. And then I'm going to drain it and cool it. For best results, your ice cream machine needs to be super cold. The inner container of my ice cream machine has been sitting in my freezer overnight, and it's ready to go. I'm going to give the custard another whisk now, and I'm going to turn my ice cream machine on, and slowly I'm going to pour this into my machine. This is going to run for about 10 minutes till the ice cream looks like soft serve. For best results, the inner container of your ice cream machine needs to be super cold. Mine has been sitting in the freezer overnight. I'm going to add my ice cream back into the bowl. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of blackcurrant syrup and fold it in. I will leave the link to this blackcurrant syrup recipe at the end of this video as well as in the description. I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of shelled and sliced raw pistachios. And finally, I'm going to add the blackcurrants that I soaked in sugar syrup right into the mix. Fold everything in. Now I'm going to pour these into 2 tins, and I'm going to store them in my freezer covered with cling film. Once this has had a few hours to set, it's ready to scoop and serve, and it's especially delicious with a drizzle of blackcurrant syrup. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and very simple recipe for blackcurrant and pistachio ice cream. It's one of my favorites to have over the summer. If you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment so I know what you think. And make sure that you're subscribed and that you've rung the bell so that you're notified the minute I upload a new video. And if you liked my video and my recipes, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.